DLRs, hey, what's going on, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel? Thank you for watching. We're talking bathtub drains today. And in the event that your bathtub drain is clogged or the water is not draining down or out efficiently, we're going to show you how to fix that. Let's take a look. DLRs making our way to the bathroom. As you can see, the tub, toilet, sink, additional bathroom items. Let's go inside the tub to our drain. And as you can see, no water present right now. However, when I turn the water on, and I'm going to turn the cold on now. I'm just going to allow the water to fill. At this point, both valves are off. And as you can see, water is present. And unfortunately, it is not supposed to be like that. It is supposed to drain a lot quicker and more efficient than that. So from here, I'm going to allow that to drain. Let's head to the workstation and take a look at the tools or parts I recommend using for this project. Here we are at the table, and on the left-hand side, check this out. It is called a drain Weasel, and it's an entire kit. We're going to open that up and use it. In addition, here is another option, both of which will be down below in the comments and description on where to purchase these. I will show you how each of these work. Next, what I did was flip the packaging upside down for the drain Weasel. I want to show you what the accessories and tool itself look like, as well as the instructions. And it does note, very important, do not use this tool when you have chemicals inside the drain, like Drano or any additional chemicals. And down here, little bristle pads. And these little long sticks are one-time use, or in other words, after you use them to unclog your drain and plumbing, just throw them away. And when it comes time to use it again, you've got a brand new one. Next, I removed the handle from the packaging as well as one wand, and I want to show you the connection point. As you see here, we will connect that to the handle here shortly, and the opposite end of the wand is where the bristle portion is. And this is what is going to rotate or spin inside the plumbing and grab anything like hair or debris that is clogging our plumbing. And the instructions state, have your handle positioned as shown here, and rotate this open cutout around and in line with the slanted shaft and push up as shown here. You now have much better access to this portion. We are going to align the two as shown here, and it is very easy to connect as well as disconnect. There's not really any tension, look at that. But once you connect it, you can carefully lower the yellow housing and onto the section here and lock it in place, as shown there. And from here, you are going to insert the wand inside the plumbing and simultaneously twist until you feel tension. And at that point, it is very likely that the bristle end of the wand has gathered whatever is clogging the plumbing, and it is time to remove it. On to the next option. In DIYers, you might like this better, and I went ahead and carefully removed the zip tie, and this little handle here you grab with your fingers and push with your palm, and it basically pushes the entire inner cable out and back in, and on the opposite side is a hook. Let me show you that. Here it is, look at this. So what you do is basically insert this portion inside the drain and plumbing and push it all the way until you feel resistance. Push this in right after you insert the tip and extend these little teeth or blades as you shift this back inside the plumbing, and once again you feel resistance. You can carefully ease up on the opposite end, and it basically grabs a hold of whatever it grabs onto and it locks it in place right here, and then you ever so carefully pull the entire tool and cable out of the plumbing, and that entire 4-tooth jaw will pull whatever is clogging your plumbing out. And you can try this over and over until you get clean results every time. So again, this tool might be a better option for you, but in our case, we like the drain Weasel. Back inside the tub near the tub drain, and in our case, we can carefully pull the little vent here. And before we stick this in, just a quick little view inside here. There's nothing in the immediate opening that is clogging it, and we are going to ever so carefully insert the drain Weasel and feed it in. And I'm basically going to push it, and I can feel a little bit of tension right now. And from here, I'm going to push down on the yellow housing as I rotate the tool. and the entire wand inside the plumbing is rotating and hopefully grabbing a hold of debris. I will carefully pull this out. And we're getting somewhere. I will remove this and stick the wand or bristle portion back inside that drain and continue. Making progress, I did just that, and I'm not grabbing a new wand. I just carefully removed the hair and debris that we just pulled out. And again, I'm going in with the wand and I'm just going to feed it in until I feel some tension. And I'm going to continue rotating. And it looks like the first time in, I got everything. From here, I'm going to turn on the water and test it. And that is draining a lot better. Let's do it again. Much better. Oh, what a relief. Outstanding. Awesome tool. And I'm going to reinsert the drain screen and I'll do it one more time. Much better. I'm also going to take it one step further, remove this, and I'm going to take a paper towel and clean out the inner portion here. Do not drop any paper towel or toilet paper or rag inside the plumbing. That would not be good. Taking a big step back, and again, DIYers, that is it. And before we wrap this video up, I do want to share a few additional items that we have installed. And down below in the comments and description will be links on not only where to purchase these items, but how to install them. And this right here is a splash guard. And long story short, when we were running the shower, we had constant water flowing down off of that portion of the tub and onto the floor. Not good. Not no more with that splash guard. In addition, coming up, we have an internal clothesline that extends to the opposite side and secures to that mount there. And when we get back from the pool, we hang swimsuits and life vests. And all the water dripping off goes inside the tub. How cool is that? In addition, coming over to the sink, in the event that your handles are loose, we show you how to tighten those, and your drain plug or stopper here, in the event that that is not working or it's broken, we show you how to replace that. DIYers, that is it. We hope this helps. Hey, do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. One more thing, again, down below are links on where to purchase this drain weasel as well as the other tool.